Hi, this is Glenn Waston from Alleo. Today I wanted to show you how you can create a meeting flow using the slides and templates that we have. One of the benefits of the templates is that they do not only come with the basic structure, they come with content, but also with the functionality, the action buttons to have users use the templates without any basic training. They can just see what's happening and use the functionality that's created in the slide. The way to add slides is just by going to the navigation bar and going to the background or the organizational or the global backgrounds and the ability to add content to a board. The benefit here is that these boards come with pre-organized spaces. An example here is that when I add my video, you will see that it automatically comes into the right space. And as you can see, I can add as many videos as I want. One of the big benefits of Alleo is that you're not limited to a single video stream, but you can reuse your videos in multiple locations. And then finally, if you want to add your own slides, you can create a blank slide. One of the benefits there, of course, is that you want to make it as you want. And I'll show you a couple of things that you can do. Number one, of course, you can use your own background slides from your company so that it's more that it follows your marketing colors and schemes. And then I'll show you about the content. Now, there's a couple of things on content. Number one, most importantly, I think, is the way to organize your slides. The container concept is a way that you can create spaces where content will be organized for you. So in this case, it is a horizontal container. So when I add content to this container, it will be side by side, right? The second item is the ability to add text, which is fairly basic. You can choose any color, but when you add text, you can put it on the template where you want it. And then also the ability to adding notepads. Notepads have the ability or allow you to take notes in the screen, but are accessible by everybody at the same time. So you can really delegate note-taking or do it jointly. A next step of containers is the shape or the container, which is a grid or a collage. I'll show you immediately what the difference is. If I use a grid shape and I want to add, or collage shape, sorry, and I want to add different post-its or pieces of content, you will see that the container will maximize the space for the content. When I change it into a grid shape, that means that it's going to be more like a matrix and optimize the space that way. And then finally, a container which is linear. A linear container, well, it basically says it itself, vertical linear, means that the content is going to be organized not horizontal like above, but like, but really one under the other. So when I move stuff around, it's going to be not in a matrix, not side by side, but it's going to be one under the other, and the content will adapt for the available space. And I hope that shows you how quickly you can create a flow that matches your specific meeting.